Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install Peek mods easily. So the first step would be to, of course, find the mod, but first you need a mod manager. So it would be on thunderstore.io. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You want to find BepInEx. This is basically so that the mods would work. You want to go ahead and press on manual download and just go ahead and save it on your desktop for easier access. And here I have it. You want to go ahead and press extract all. And then press extract, and here you have now your folder, your files. Now you want to go into this specific folder, a BepInEx Pack Peek, and you have these 4 files which we will need later. So you want to go ahead now to Steam, go on Peek, right click on it, go to Manage, and browse local files. From there, you want to go ahead and be on this Peek folder, as you can see, and you want to go ahead and drag these files right there and leave them here. After all of this, you want to launch the Peek game and close it instantly after it will launch. Now, after it will launch like this, you want to press quit. After you've done that, again, you want to go to Manage and browse local files. And on here, you will see BepInEx folder, open it, and you will see that now it has a plugins folder. This is where we will put our mods, so go back to the Thunderstore and go ahead and find some mods which you like. So let's, for example, download this one, Piggyback. Again, manual down. Now let's go back, and our folder again is on the desktop. You want to go ahead and extract it again. Once you have extracted it, you will see that there is piggyback.dll file. You want to go ahead and drag it to the plugins, just like so. Your mods should be working just fine. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.